Okay, so good evening. Good evening to all. Okay, so we will take next numerical. Okay, we will take the next numerical on that differential indexing. Take the numerical. For example, suppose we want to make the 51 division. Okay, 51 division we have to carry it out on the periphery of your workpiece with the help of which indexing method we have to find out, or we have to done that 51 division with the help of the differential indexing method. Differential indexing method. Okay, then what is our first step? Our first step, it will be, first of all we have to assume the nearest number. Okay, assume the nearest or closest number. Okay, nearest number we have to assume the nearest number to this given division. Okay, it is called as the A, or it is denoted by the A is equal to, suppose I have assume here 50 as your closest number, and N, capital N means it is given division, that is 51, that is given. Okay, first step. Then second step, it will be we have to find out the crank moment. Okay, we have to find out the crank moment for that 50 division. Crank moment for that 50 division. What is the formula for that? 40 divided by A, so that 40 divided by, what is the value of A? A is nothing but your 50, so that it will become 4 divided by 5. But that 4 divided by 5, that denominator 5, this is not available in our plate, that plate number 1, plate number 2, and plate number 3. Okay, in that 3 plate, that 5 is not available, so that I am going to multiply that 4 and 5 in such manner that that number it will be available in one of the plate, so that I am divided, or sorry, I am multiplied by 4 divided by 4, so that it will become 60 divided by 20. That again 20 is available in which plate? Check.
First,
Okay, first plate. You can multiply 3 also, no problem. Huh? Okay, that 20 it is available in which plate? Means here we have to select which plate? We have to select plate number 1. We have to select the plate number 1. But this indexing, but this will be, this indexing, it will be for the 50, but we want to find out for the 51, so that again we have to carry out the second step. That is nothing but, that second step is nothing but we have to find out. Okay, in the second step is we have to find out the, sorry, we have to find out the gear change or gear ratio. We can call it as the gear change or gear oblique or ratio. What is the formula for that? What is the formula? Yes, what is the formula for the gear ratio? Capital A minus capital En, okay, into 40 divided by EA. This is the formula. Just put the value in that formula. What is the value for that? A, capital A is nothing but our assumed number, that is the 50. N is nothing but actual division, that is the 50. 1 into 40 divided by capital A is 50. First upon, we have to solve this bracket. It will indicate the -1. Okay, into 4 divided by 5. Sorry, 4 divided by 5. But that 4 divided by 5 means it is the driving gear number 1. This is the driven gear number 2. But that 4 and 5 number of gears are not available in our gear change. It is available no. So that again we have to multiply that 4 and 5 in such way that that number it will be available in change here. Okay, in which number we have to multiply it? By which number we should multiply it? Yes, we have to, suppose I am multiplied by 8. Okay, 8. So that 5 into 8, the answer it will be the 32 divided by 40. Again, this 32 and that 40, we will check whether it is available in that gear change. Now see here, it is available. Okay, what is the, that 32 and 40 number is available in that gear change. Okay, now it is correct. Now see here, Now see here, what is the meaning of this? Again, next step, third step, we have to check the three condition. Okay, we have to check the three conditions. Okay, means we have to check a minus en is positive or negative. Yes, a minus en is positive or negative. It is negative. And again here we are having the simple gear return because two gears are there. This is the first gear, that is the driving gear, and this is the driven gear. This is the driven gear. Okay, means in this problem we will get here which gear train, whether it is simple or compound. It is a simple gear train because only two gears are there. Simple gear train is there. And okay, just check the condition. A minus en, it will be in the negative. It will be the negative, and if we are having the simple gear train, okay, then in which manner we want to rotate the indexing plate? Just check. Just check the, okay, a minus n is negative and simple gear train, means which condition is applicable here? Which condition is applicable? This 3-number condition is applicable. Now see here that a minus n is negative and our gear train is the simple. Okay, in this condition we have to rotate our index plate in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction. Now see here. So that I'm going to write here, we have to rotate the index plate in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now see the answer, the meaning of that answer. In the first step, okay, in the first step we have got 60 divided by 20. Okay, this is the step number 1. And in step number 2 we have got 32 divided by 40. That is the step number 2. What is the meaning of this? Okay, first up on we have to rotate the crank in such manner that, okay, we have to select the 20 number hole, and in that 20 number hole, we have to select the 20 number circle. Okay, and in that 20 number circle we have to select the 16 number hole, and we have to insert the crank pin into this hole. Okay, up to that we have to rotate the crank pin. But in which fashion we have to rotate? We have to rotate the crank pin in anti-clockwise direction because of that 3-number condition. Okay, we have to rotate the crank pin in anti-clockwise direction in such manner. We have to select the 20 number of hole, and in that 20 number of hole, we have to insert the crank pin in 60 number of hole. Okay, 20 number circle and 60 number hole. And here we want to lock the crank pin. Okay, here we want to insert the crank pin. Okay, now but this rotation of crank pin, that rotation of crank, it will be anti-clockwise direction. And in second stage we are using 2 gear train in such manner that first up on we have to select the 32 teeth gear as a driving gear, and we have to select the 40 number of teeth as a driven gear, and suppose this is the 30 number teeth gear, this is driving, and this is the 40 number teeth, this is the driving, and in between that whether we should use the idle gear or not, check the condition. Here in the condition number 3 is applicable here, so that I'm checking that condition number 3, 2 idle gear is required. Check the condition number 3. Okay, check the condition number 3 here. 2 idle gear is required, means here in between that 2 gear we are going to add 2 idle gear according to our standard. Okay, so that this gear, it will be transmit the power to the index plate, and again index plate it will be rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Again index plate it will be rotate in anti-clockwise direction. In first stage again it is rotated, and second stage also it is rotated with the help of this gear train, so that whatever your workpiece it will be there, that workpiece it will be rotated in such manner that finally on your workpiece, how many division it will be generate? It will be generate 51 division. Okay, automatically it will generate the 51 division. Okay, this is called as the differential indexing. Okay, this is the simple procedure. Okay, so understood? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can I take next method? Can I take next method? So last method is remaining, that is the angular indexing. Okay, angular indexing, that is the number 4 method. Up till now we have covered the 3 methods. Now our next and last method is the angular method. Angular indexing. Okay, angular indexing. This is the very simple and last method is there. And what is use of that angular method? Okay, suppose we want to generate any keyways. Okay, suppose we want to generate any keyways. Suppose we want to generate any slots in angular manner. Okay, suppose we are having one workpiece is there. Suppose this is the workpiece, and suppose we want to take slot on this workpiece at particular angle. Suppose we want to take one slot on this workpiece at the 60 degree. Here we want to take the one slot on this workpiece. Now in such condition, suppose we want to rotate our workpiece at a 60 degree. Okay, suppose we want to rotate our workpiece at the 60 degree. Okay, for this purpose we can use the angular indexing. Means simple, we can use the angular indexing for to perform the keyways, to perform the slot at a particular angle. Okay, at a particular angle we can use the simple indexing. And another point is for the simple indexing where we are using the simple dividing head, or that we can call it is the plain dividing head. Okay, plain dividing head we can use. Okay, then what is meant by the plain dividing head? Already we have discussed in that simple indexing. Now see, once again I will repeat. See, this dividing head we are using this. It is called as the plain or simple dividing head we can use for the angular indexing. Again, see, this is the indexing plate is here. See, this is the indexing plate. This is the worm shaft is here. This is the worm wheel is there. On the periphery of that worm wheel there is the 40 teeth are there, and here your spindle, and inside the spindle your workpiece is there. Okay, now see how the power is transmitted when we are rotating this crank. Okay, when we are rotating this crank, along with this crank your shaft is rotate, and when your shaft is rotate, okay, along with this shaft this worm wheel is rotate. Okay, this worm wheel is rotate, and again from the worm wheel this spindle is rotate, and at the spindle we are attached here workpiece, and that workpiece is also rotate. In this manner power is transmitted. Okay, and what is the condition here? What is the condition? When we are rotate, see here on the periphery of this worm wheel. Okay, on the periphery of that worm wheel, how many teeth are there? 40 teeth are there. And what is the condition for that? When we are rotate this crank 40 times. Okay, when we are rotate this crank 40 times, that time your this worm wheel and your work piece, it will be rotated at 1 revolution. That part you have to remember. Okay, this simple mechanism we can use in the angular indexing. Okay, okay, you have to remember. Okay, you have to remember for the simple indexing. Okay, for the simple indexing, which dividing head we are using? That plain or simple. Okay, again for the compound indexing, which dividing head we are using? For the compound indexing, again we are using the plain or simple. And that differential indexing we are using which dividing head? We are using the universal dividing head. Okay, that point you have to remember, because on that there may be chance of asking the MCQ. And that angular, okay, that angular indexing we are using the again plain dividing head. Okay, plain dividing head. That point you have to remember. Okay, now see here, what is the condition in that plain dividing head? What is the condition in that in plain dividing head? We are knowing that when we are rotate, okay, when we are rotate crank, when we are rotate the crank 40 time, 40 time, when we are rotate the crank 40 time, that time your worm and workpiece, it will be rotate at 1 revolution. Okay, it will rotate 1 revolution. Okay, means when we are rotate the crank 40 time. Okay, when we are rotate the crank 40 time, so that 1 revolution means that your worm, or we can say that is workpiece, it will be complete the 360 degree. Am I right? It is correct. It is correct or wrong? When we are rotate the crank 40 times, that time your worm and or that workpiece, it will complete the 1 revolution. That 1 revolution means 1 circle is complete, means 360-degree rotation is completed. Now suppose I want to calculate here when we rotate this crank, when we are taking the only one turn of your crank. Suppose when we are taking the only one rotation of your crank. Okay, suppose when we are taking the one rotation of your crank, means that time how many, in which manner or how many angle that workpiece it will be rotate, that point we want to calculate here. म्हणजे काय करायचंय मला, समजा जर क्रँक मी एक क्रँक फक्त एकच रोटेशन केलं, सपोज आय हॅव रोटेट द क्रँक ओनली वन टाइम. ओके, म्हणजे एकच रोटेशन क्रँकचं घेतलं. जर मी क्रँकचं एकच रोटेशन घेत असेल तर वर्कपीस आपला किती डिग्रीनं रोटेट होणार आहे, दॅट पॉइंट आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. ओके, देन हाऊ वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट इट? येस एनीबडी, एनी आयडिया how we can calculate? As here, okay, means, okay, suppose this point you have to remember, one complete turn of indexing crank will be cause the spindle and workpiece to rotate through. Means suppose we are rotating the crank in only one revolution. Suppose we are taking the only one revolution of the crank. That time, in which degree or how many degree your workpiece it will be rotate, that point we can find out with the help of this. That 360 divided by 40, it is 9. Means suppose here in this figure you will understand better. म्हणजे बघा, जर आपण हा क्रँकचं एक रोटेशन मी घेईल. ओके, जर क्रँकचं एक रोटेशन कंप्लीट केलं तर आपला वर्कपीस किती डिग्रीने रोटेट होणार आहे? 9 डिग्रीने रोटेट होणार आहे. 9 डिग्रीना. ओके, हाऊ आय हॅव फाइंड आउट दिस? इट इज 360 divided by 40. At 40 means because it having 40 teeth are there on the periphery, and that 3 degree 60. Okay, now it is 9. म्हणजे आपण हा क्रँक, जर क्रँकचं एक रेव्होल्युशन कंप्लीट केलं, म्हणजे क्रँक आपण फक्त एकदाच रोटेट केला तर तुमचा वर्कपीस किती डिग्रीने रोटेट होणार आहे? 9 डिग्रीने रोटेट होणार आहे. Okay, from this we have find out one formula here. See, for the angular indexing. Okay, from this concept I have found here. Okay, we will get one formula, that is indexing in degree. Suppose we want to calculate the indexing in degree. Okay, indexing in degree. Okay, indexing in a degree. What is the formula? What is the formula here? Number of degree required. Number of degree required divided by 9. Okay, just we have to use this formula. With the help of this formula, we can easily find out the crank movement for the particular degree. Okay, so just we have to remember this formula. Okay, so can I take first example? Yes. If you are not understanding this concept, okay, how that 350, how that 40 they have taken, directly you can remember this formula. Okay, for the angular indexing in the degree, suppose we want to find out the angular indexing in the degree, that time we can use only that much formula. Number of degree required divided by 9. Okay, yes. Hello, yes, any problem? Hello,
No problem, sir.
what about others? Only that roll number 3 is giving answer. Hello,
No problem.
remaining student. Okay, so
No problem.
can I take numerical directly? Can I take the numerical? Suppose they have first numerical is like this. Okay, 112 degree. Okay, suppose we want to rotate our workpiece. Suppose this will be their workpiece, and suppose we want to rotate our workpiece at that much degree. Okay, means we have to find out the indexing for that 112 degree. Okay, 112 ला मला इंडेक्सिंग करायचं. ओके, म्हणजे आपला वर्कपीस किती अँगल रोटेट झाला पाहिजे. सपोज वी वांट टू रोटेट आवर वर्कपीस ॲट दॅट दिस डिग्री. ओके, देन व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला? इंडेक्सिंग इन डिग्री. Indexing in a degree is equal to number of degree required. Number of degree required divided by 9. Okay, what is the number of degree? That is the 112 divided by 9. Okay, may I write? Then what is the answer for that? Yes, and once again I'm writing here. Okay, what is the question they have given? That 112 degree at 112 degree. Okay, that much indication we want to carry it out. Okay, then what is the formula? Okay, what is the formula? That crank moment. Okay, for that much degree we want to find out the crank moment. Okay, the crank moment is equal to angle required divided by 9. What is the angle required? That is the 11 degree, 112 divided by 9. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer for that? Is anybody please calculate and tell me what is the answer?
12.4.
No, I'm not required that answer in point. Means suppose you can directly make here like this 9. Okay, suppose 9. I'm going to write here 9. What is the answer? This is 2 is remaining. Okay, I'm going to write here. Suppose 22 is there, so we will take here 18. Here we are writing the 2 here. So what is remaining? That is the 4 is remaining. So that can I write here like this? Can I write here like this? 12 plus 4 is remaining. That is the 9. Like this. Okay, from here. हे आपल्याला माहित आहे, आता ही काय शिकवायची गरज नाही आपल्याला. Simple. What is this? Okay, but you have to check that denominator. That 9 is available in one of the plate. Yes, that 9 is available in one of the plate. Yes, no, it is not available.
No.
So that again we are multiply that 9 in such manner that that number should be available in that one of the plate. Okay, so in which factor, in which number we have to multiply it? By which number? 4 into, can I multiply it by 2? 9 into 2. Okay, now just check 12 plus 8 divided by 18. Whether that 18 is available in which plate? Just check. Here it is available.
Plate number 1.
That 18, it is available in plate number 1. Now see here, that is 18. Okay, means we have to select which plate? Here we have to select plate number 1. Plate number 1. Okay. Now what is meaning of this? What is the meaning of this answer? What is the meaning of this answer? Yes, we have to select that circle, 18 number of circle. In that 18 number of circle, we have to insert the crank pin in 8 number of hole. Okay. That is 18 number circle and 8 number hole we have to select from the plate number 1. And what is the meaning of this 12? Yes, anybody? What is the meaning of this 12? Means first upon, yes, yes, Dongre, yes.
12 revolution.
Good. Means first upon we have to take the tail revolution of your crank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. Okay, like this 12 revolution first upon we have to take. Okay, once we have to take the 12 revolution, then we have to select the 18 number of circle, and that 18 number of circle. Okay, sorry, first upon we have to take that 12 revolution, then we have to select the 18 number circle, and in that 18 number circle we have to select the 8 number hole. We have to, in that 8 number hole we have to insert the crank pin. Okay, and during this whole rotation, your workpiece it will be rotate by that this degree. This degree. Okay, in this manner we can perform the angular indexing. Okay, understood? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now, okay. So once again, I will take next example here. Take next example. Okay. So I'm going to write here second example is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. We want to make the crank movement. For that, indexing. Okay. Now what is our first step? At crank moment, we want to find out that crank moment is equal to angle required. What is the formula? Angle required divided by 9. Okay, that is the angle required. That is the 60 degree divided by 9. Then solve this. What is the answer for that? Yes. What is the answer? Okay, if you are unable to this, simple idea. Okay, directly simple करून बघा या ठिकाणी. In this manner, 9, that is the 60. Okay, directly. What is this?
6
What is
plus
this?
6 upon 9.
Okay, 6 means how we can write here? 6 plus, okay, 6 divided by 9. Alright, it is. But you have to check whether that 9 is available. That 9 number of whole circle is available in one of the plate. No, it is not available. So that again we have to multiply it by suitable number. So that 6 plus 6 into, can I multiply? Sorry, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. What is our answer? 6 plus 6 divided by 9. Again, we can simplify it. That is the 3 divided by, sorry, 2 divided by 3. Na? 2 divided by
2
3.
upon 3.
Good. Then again, we have to multiply it by. Suppose I am multiplied by 6 and it is again 6. Then what is the answer? That 6 plus 12 divided by 18. Whether check that 18 is available in which plate? That 18 number is available in which plate? I think it is number 1. Am I right?
Yes,
It is
sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Means we have to select the plate number 1. What is the meaning of this answer? Yes. Anybody please tell me. Yes. What is the meaning of that 6? What is the
6
meaning of that 12? And
rotation.
what is
18 circle. 12 holes.
good 6 rotation? First upon we have to take the 6 rotation. Then we have to select the 18 number of circle. And in that 18 number of circle, we have to select the 12 number of the hole. And inside that, we have to insert the crank pin. Okay. Okay. After that, after this, when you are doing this condition, that time your workpiece it will be rotated at this degree. Okay, this is called as the angular index. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So okay, so take the another example. Take another example here. Okay. So take next example here. Example number third. 42 degree. Okay, suppose I want to carry out the crank moment for that 42 degree index. Then please tell me first step, find out the crank moment. Okay, crank moment is equal to, okay, angle required divided by 9, okay, is equal to, what is angle required? That is 42 divided by 9. Then please tell me the answer here. What is the answer?
4 plus 6 divided by 9.
4 plus 6 divided by 9. Okay, again we can simplify it. 4 plus 2 divided by 3. Okay, but that 3 is not available. Na? That 3 is is not available in one of the plates, so that I'm writing here 4 plus. Can I multiply it by 6? 10 to 6. Again, it is like similar. 4 plus 12 plus 18. Okay. Means we have first up on we have to take 4 rotation of your crank. Then we have to select the 18 number circle. And in that 18 number circle, we have to select the 12 number of the hole. In that hole, we have to insert the crank pin. Okay. Then we will get that 42 number of rotation of your workpiece. Okay. May I write? It is correct? It is correct? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
take next example. Example number 4. Example number 4. Suppose 122 degree. Okay, what is our formula? What is the crank required? Is equal to angle required. Angle required divided by 9. What is the angle required? That is the 122 divided by 9. Okay, please solve this. Okay, you can also solve this
Thir-
in calc also. Yes, what is this?
13
Yes,
plus 5 divided by 9.
13 plus good. 13 plus 5 divided by 9. Okay, if anybody having any problem, please, for that I'm going to solve here like this also. You can without calc also we can solve it like this. Simple. It is solved like this. What is the 9 120? Okay, first up on we have to select this 12. That is the 9. Okay, what is remaining? That 3 and that 2. Again we have to take 9 into 3. It is 27. So I'm writing here 3. What is remaining? It is 5. Okay, now see here. This point we have to write here. Okay, then this 5 and this 9. Okay, in this fashion. Then please tell me that 3 plus 5. That 9 number is not available, na? So that I'm going to multiply it by 2. 9 into 2. Sorry, 9 into 2. Again it will become 13 plus 10 divided by 18, na? 18. Okay, means first up I have to take 13 rotation of your crank, then select the 18 number of circle, and in that 18 number of circle we have to insert the pin into that 10 number of hole. Okay, then we will get that this indexing. Okay, now see, this is the condition 1 in that angular indexing. This is the condition number 1, because in this condition you observe they have given the angle in the degree. Okay, suppose they have given the angle in degree and minute. That time how we can solve this? That point, that second step we will discuss here. Suppose they have given the question like this in minute. Okay, okay, suppose they have given 32 degree and 24 minutes like this. Okay, suppose they have given the question in this manner. Then how to solve, how to make the indexing for that? Again we are having the one formula. Okay, in this condition, okay, in this condition first upon we have to convert that degree. Okay, first upon we have to convert that degree into minute. Degree into minute. How to convert it? It is very simple. That convert m, so that I'm converting that degree into m, so that I'm writing here m. That m is equal to 32 into 60. Alright, 32 into degrees plus that 24 minutes. Okay, then please tell me what is the answer. First upon we have to solve this. What is the 1920 plus 21? What is this? Yes. What is this? What is
1941.
this? 1941. Correct. Okay. Now, okay, for such condition, we are using another formula, that is crank moment is equal to m divided by 540. Like this formula you have to remember. This is the formula. Now put the value. That is the m. What is the value of this m? This is the value. That is the 1 divided by. Okay, then tell me answer. What is the answer? Solve this and tell me the answer. You can also do this concept in calci also. You can solve this with the help of the calci also. Please tell me what is the answer. Yes, what is the answer? Not in point, huh?
3.594.
Yes, yes, please repeat. Please repeat. Hello.
3.594.
I'm not requiring point. Not requiring point. So, a simple manner we will solve here like this. That is the 944 and okay. Suppose we multiply it by 3. Okay, suppose I multiply to that 540 by 3, then what is the answer? Suppose I'm 3 here and it will be the 60 like this. Okay, I have to minus it. What is the answer for that? 364. Okay, so that from this we can write here like this: 3 plus 3 4 divided by 5 like this. Okay, such type of the answer is required. Okay, now again here, please simplify it. Yes, please simplify it. Directly you can do the calculation, but that answer should not be in point. Please solve this with the help of the calcium.
162
Calcium.
divided by
Yes, yes.
270. 162
Not
divided by
requiring point.
270.
Point मध्ये नको आपल्याला आन्सर. हा कॅल्शियम मध्ये कसा ऑप्शन
162
असतो?
divided by
No.
correctly.
3 divided by 5. Okay, such type of the answer is required. You can directly, there is one option is there in calci. Okay, in scientific calculator we are having one option. Such type of the answer it will be, we will get with the help of the calci also. Okay, if you are doing such condition in the calci it will be show the answer like this also. Okay, like this. Okay, such type of the answer is coming. But again here again that 5 number is not available in one of the plates, so that I am multiplied by suppose I am multiplied by 5. What is the answer? Yes, 3 plus 15 divided by 20. The 25 number is available in. Yes, please check whether it is available. No, it is not available.
No.
So please, in which number we have to multiply it by? In which number we have
4.
to multiply? 4. Then it will become 12 divided by 20. Just check the 12 number is available. Sorry, 20 number is available. 20 number is available in plate number 1. Good. So that I'm going to select here plate number 1 in same manner. That 3 first up, I have to take 3 rotation, then select the 20 number circle and 12 number hole. Okay, understood? Yes. This part you can directly take from calcium, no problem. Don't take tension of this part. This part. Okay. There is one option. Yes. Anybody having any problem? Yes. Okay. So we'll take next example, similar example here. Second example, I'm going to write here. Suppose 42 degree. Okay, 32 degree and 20 minutes. Okay, for this we want to make the index. Please tell me what is our first step in this condition. What is our first step? First up on we have to convert it into minute. I have to convert m is equal to 32 into 60. Okay, plus that 20. What is the answer for that? Yes. What is the answer for this? Hmm. What is the answer?
1920 plus 20.
Okay, 1920 plus 20. Then it will become 1940. Okay. Okay. No. Hmm. Then again we have to use which formula? We have to use the m divided by 4 L540. This formula we have to use. Put the value. What is the value of m? This is the value. That is the divided by. Okay. Is solid. Is solid. Yes. Solve कराए. Solve and tell me the answer. Yes. Anybody having any answer?
Three plus 16 divided by 27.
Yes. 3 plus
16 divided by 27.
16 divided by 27. Like this. Yes. It is correct. Hello. It is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again we have to simplify it. On 3. Can I simplify it again once again? Whether we have to check that 27 is available. That
Yes,
27
sir.
is
Plate number
available. No
2.
problem. That
Yes,
27 is
sir.
available in plate number 2. So directly we can take this. Okay, here first of all, I have to take the 3 rotation of your crank. Then we have to select the 27 number of circle, and in that 27 number of circle, we have to select the 16 number of the hole. Okay. Then solve the next problem. Take next problem number 3. That is the 19 degree. Solve this. What is the first step? First step on converting into minute. That is the EM is equal to 19 into 60 plus 30. Then what is the answer for this? What is the answer? That is the 1140, I think. It is correct. 40. Then in the total, that is the 180. Okay. Then we have to use the formula, that is the crank moment is equal to that EM divided by this. Put the value of that EM, that is the 180 divided by. Okay. Then do the calculation here. What is the answer for that? Can I take like this here?
2 plus 5 divided by 27.
Yes. How many? 2 plus 2 plus.
5 divided by 27.
Correct. It is correct. Okay. Very simple. Again, that 27. Okay. That 27 number is available in plate number 1. I have to select the plate number 1. Okay. In that 27 number of circle, we have to select. In that 27 number of circle, we have to select the 5 number hole. And first up, we have to take the 2 revolution. That is. Okay. In this fashion also, you can find out this. In this manner also. In this manner also, we can find out here like this. Suppose we have to multiply it by 2. The answer, it will be 80. It is. What is remaining? 100 is remaining. Now we can write here like this 2 plus 100 divided by just 1 minute. So therefore we can cancel it. What is remaining? That is 2 plus 100, sorry, 10 divided by 57. We can divide it by 2, so that it will become 2 plus 5 divided by 27. Okay, like this, huh? In this fashion also you can solve this. If you are unable to solve this with the help of the calculator, that time by using the manual method. Okay, manual method also you can solve this. Okay, so please take last example, then we'll stop here. Last example I'm going to write here. That angular indexing, that is number 4. (50°) 40 minutes. Okay, first to convert it into minutes, that is the m into bracket 15 into 60 plus 30. Okay, then what is the answer for that? That is the 900 plus 40. Again it will become 940. Okay, then use the formula. What is the formula? That is 940 divided by 100. What is remaining? You can cancel it. What is remaining? Yes. What is remaining? Here, please tell me answer. Here, what is the answer?
1 plus 20 divided by 27.
27. Okay, correct. This is. Okay, means we have to select which plate? Which plate we have to select here?
Plate number 2.
Plate number 1. And in that, this circle. And first आपण have to take the one revolution. Okay. Now take last example, last example. Last example is only remaining here. One example is remaining here. That is 24° and 30 minutes. Shall this? Yes. What is this? No, right, it is correct. Okay, so divided by, solve this with the help of the calculator, and then tell me what is the answer for that. I think it is correct. 2 plus 13 divided by 18 after solving this.
Yes,
It is
sir.
correct. Okay, and that 18 number is available. That 18 number is available. Yes, I think it is available.
Yes, plate number 1.
Plate number, it is available in plate number 1. Okay, no problem. So it is not necessary to multiply by one of the number. So what is the meaning of this? First step on, I have to take the freely 2 rotation of your crank. 2 rotation of your crank. Then we have to select 18 number of circle from the plate number 1 circle, and we have to insert the pin into the 13 number of hole. Okay, then we will get that this indexing. Okay, then we will get this indexing. Okay, now it is correct. Understood? Anybody having any problem? Please tell me. Okay, now I conclude that our 4 method of indexing, that is the simple indexing, compound indexing, differential indexing, and angular indexing, that 4 method we have to complete it. And along with this, our unit number 4, that is the milling machine and gear manufacturing, is completed. Okay, thank you.